Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Pawar Mahadev 9977. Today we are going to learn our new topic. Its name is language study. For the 9th and 10th standard, there is this type of activity is included into our syllabus. This activity is for only 10 marks. Let's learn how to given marks for this activity. We have to learn here that. So friends, in question number 1 A and in question number 1 B, there is given this type of activity. In question number 1 there are given 6 activities, and out of them we have to write any 4 activities, and this question is for 8 marks. Let me tell you how or what type of activities are given there. The first one activity is there, and that activity is fill in the missing letters to complete the meaningful word. That means here are given any 4 words from our course book, and there may be given missing alphabets, and by your better comprehension we have to complete the word by using proper consonant or proper vowel and make a meaningful word. Then second one activity is there, and that activity is that rearranging the alphabetical order. That means there are given 2 groups of 4 words. The first one group is very easy, very simple. Ordinary student can write the first one activity, but the second one activity is there, and that is that we have to learn that there may be given 4 words, and each and every word's beginning consonant or beginning vowels are the same. The indifferent word may be considered, and after then we have to complete this activity. Then third one activity is there, use proper punctuation marks. That means there may be given any 2 sentences, and out of them we have to use proper punctuation marks among them. The punctuation marks are there, capital letters, beginning word of the sentence, proper noun beginning word, we have to write the capital letter. And then second one is full stop after the sentence. If there is a statement sentence, there should be given full stop, and then question mark, exclamation sign, hyphen, inverted comma, single inverted comma, double inverted comma. These are punctuation marks we should use properly into the given sentences. The fourth one activity is there, make 4 meaningful word from the given word. There is given one big word, and by taking the alphabets from that word, you may make the proper or meaningful 4 words by using the alphabets which are given into the word. But one condition is that each word may minimally there should be 3 alphabets. Then fourth one activity is there, write a related word. That means one word is given there at the center, one of the web diagram is given there, and by using the web diagram, by considering the web diagram, we have to complete the words which are related. For example, there may be given suppose family, we have to write the related word with the family. That means, but there is given one clue word is there. If there is given adjective, you may use the adjective. If there is given verb, you may write the verbs. You may given their noun, you may write the nouns. And the last one activity is there, complete the word chain. There is also given instruction, complete the word chain of noun, complete the word chain of adjective, complete the word chain of adverb, or complete the word means if the beginning word is given book, by taking the last one alphabet K, and book is the noun, so that we have to write the another word beginning with the K, that means kite. In this way we have to complete the word chain by putting the nouns, adjective or verb in this way. In this way, all of these 6 activities we have to write any 4 activities. Please consider, pay attention towards this activity, try to understand what type of activity is given there and which activities are very easy for you, and you may by considering the right complete this type of question. Then we have to turn towards the question number 1B. It is for only 2 marks. That means the first one activity is given there. Make a meaningful sentence using given word, given phrase. There is given one of the phrase, and by using the phrase we have to write a meaningful sentence. For this activity there is given another optional activity is given there, and that activity is that add a clause. That means incomplete sentence is given there. By adding clause, that means that, what, which, whom, these types of words, joining words should be used and complete the another sentence. Out of these two activities we have to write any one activity. Then question number 1B, there is second one activity is given there, and that is the add a prefix or suffix for the given word. There may be given 2 words, and for these words you may add suffix or prefix and write the meaningful word. And for this activity there is given an optional activity, and that is that make your own sentence by using the given words. There may be given 2 words, and out of them you have to use one word in your own sentence. In this way, the language study is for 10 marks. Best of luck for all the students, and stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Dhanyawad.